Can I use picture instead of password in Windows? Your answer is yes. And in this video, we are going to find out how we can do it. So let's jump to the screen. Before that, I need to tell you a few notes. The first one, you can't see this on virtual machines, and the other is work after Windows 8. Okay, you can use it on Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11, but you can't use that on the previous versions of Windows, such as Windows 7 and these ones. So let's go.
Okay guys, we press on the start menu. Then what we should do, we press settings. In here we go to the accounts part. Okay, you'll see your account name and these things. Press the sign in options. When you press that, you'll see picture, password, password security key, Windows hello fingerprint, or this sign in methods. We are going to use picture password. Okay, but if you don't see these options and you're using Windows 10, I put a link which is from another cool YouTuber. You can watch that if you don't see these things, and they will be added for you. For example, you just see the password and security key, but when you watch that video, you can add all of these options on your Windows. So if you don't see them, watch that video which is on the comment section. It's for another cool YouTuber. I press picture password. In here you will see you need to add a picture. I press add. As you can see, it's going to tell you at first you need to type your password. Okay, it says you have many options. Okay, you can say it as round, and you can do these things. Okay, it's going to tell you you can do these two ways to set a password for your picture. I choose a picture. I press that, and I go to the desktop. Okay, the background, for example, picture, but if you want you can select another picture. Because I just have this picture on this Windows or in this laptop, I'm going to use this. I press use this picture. Okay, it says you need to set up 3 gestures. For example, in here, round, okay, and one line, and another one with a different direction. Okay, I need to do that again. 1, 2, 3. Something not right. Okay, this is a thing I do. You need to see the arrows and the direction that you move your mouse, or if you have a touch screen or a Windows phone, tablet, or the new laptops which are touch or they have touch screen, you need to do these things again for them. Okay, I press try again. Be careful the arrows. 1, 2, 3. Try it again. I press start over, and for example, first, second, third, first, second, third. Congratulations, all done. Okay, right now it's set. Let me like the screen, and the screen recorders didn't record the screen when it is locked, so I use the camera.
Okay, I use logo plus L, which is for lock. I press and you will see the picture. Okay, if you want you to type your password instead of that, you can press on sign in options. Then, for example, choose your password. Or if you don't want, you can set it as a picture. First, Second, sir, password is incorrect. First, second, I think that's okay. Because I forget this password. Okay, I did. All done, and I'm lighting. I highly recommend this feature because when you use your photo or a photo on your Windows and you want to set a password for that with the way that I told you with the arrow keys or using your touch screen with your finger, because uh, you just know what's going on that picture, and uh, none of the hackers, crackers, and these things, uh, they don't have any software to unlock these options. They have softwares, or they have they can do many other things to unlock the passwords or the word by word passwords, pin codes, and these type of things. But when you set a picture, you can't do anything. Okay, uh, I'll just tell these things to say to you. It is a way that I highly recommend it, and the security of that is too high. If you like this video, press the like button, and if you have any question, type it in the comment section. I will create a video just for you. Okay, all done. See you on the next one.